hadn't done one of these in a while. State of the Coyotefifty. It's the first weekend in November. I don't think I've done one since I got it back on the road after wrecking it. But yeah, probably 3,000 miles since I wrecked it. Went to a car show yesterday. Got me a little hardware. But it's been running good. No major issues. Did have a battery cable went bad. Fan switch went bad. And the biggest thing is my hood. Hood's really starting to fall apart. The support structure in here, where it's rotted, has separated. And even a tack weld didn't hold it because there's no metal there. And then on the other side, the whole, you can't see it now, but the whole inner structure has popped out of where it's supposed to be. So that's going to be coming soon on the list of things to do, and finishing the welding out of this fender over here. Been good though. Lots of driving lately. I did buy that. If you don't know what this is a draggy. High-speed GPS. It'll measure your, you know, all your distances and speeds. Put it in a nice video format. So here, I'll drop one here. Yeah, so there'll be more to come on that. Things should be a lot of fun. Definitely gonna have to find me a set of drag radials or something. These little 30 series rubber band tires with I think I've got 37 pounds in them is it's tough to get them to hook up, you know, even at you know, speed. So yeah, so there'll be more to come on that. Also installed, can't see it, but I installed a new short throw shifter from Tick Performance, and it's pretty sweet. First to second isn't as short as I thought it was gonna be, but the second to third shift is where it's at. So much smoother. Oh, and my amp went out. The amp for the sub had a nice rocker phosphate amp, like a $400 amp, and it went out. It kept going into protection mode for some reason. Never really cared for that amp, so I went out and bought me a, I mean, people call them cheap, but Scar amp, 1200 watt, and so far so good. I'm liking it. So also bought a new amp for the 6.5s that I have yet to install, so we'll be doing that soon too. But yeah, just wanted to show you the truck and the wear and tear that it's taken. Yeah, it's not doing bad, still doing good. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe get into the interior this winter, or maybe go ahead and finish this bed. I don't know, we'll see. All right, just wanted to give y'all a little update, and yeah, we'll take a look at the engine real quick, and then y'all let me know what you want to see next.